Feel like they got a bird. What do they got? Get off. What do y'all got? Dad, you got a bird! Get it, got a bird in your mouth! Why you got a bird? Put the oh, Vegeta! Get off the Vegeta! Why do you got a bird, man? Did the bird fall? Is you gonna eat it? No! Let it go, son! Son! Let it go, son! Ah! Let it go, son! Ah! Why do y'all got a bird? Son, don't eat the bird! Don't eat the bird! Don't eat the bird! Son, don't eat the bird! They fell from up there. Oh, the birds fell from up there. Ah! Vegeta, son. Son. No more. No more! That's it. No more, son. Put it down. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Get away from the bird. Get. That's enough. Vegeta, no. Hold up. I gotta get the daggone shovel. What are y'all doing now? Pack, man. That's what I be going through. It's the yard. Packing the yard, man. Get off! Let me go get this shovel so I can get it right now. Let me go get the shovel, man. These dogs is wild. Dogs swallowing right now, man. Dogs is wilding right now, man. Got a bird and everything. Vega, what they got? I got a damn bird that fell off the bird's nest. Back. Get! Vegeta, get off the damn bird. Put him down. No. Fucking nasty. Move. Ah. No. I gotta bury the damn bird in. Move. Gotta bury the bird. Should bury the bird right there. Only gonna bury the bird in the yard. Thought I already had dirt dug up. Man. Gotta bury the dog. These goddamn dogs is crazy, man. You know what I mean? They're crazy. Son, that's enough.